What kind of salon owner are you? Are you going to be putting up your prices and capitalizing on all this great interest that you're getting in your salon at the moment? Or are you going to be discounting and offering deals and trying to get people in the chair and get money in your till and try to encourage people to sell? Because, you can be either way. 6 really important tips that can help you make sure that your salon is the one that's full. It's the one that survives, and it's the one that everyone wants to come to. Number 1, okay, so don't let your eyes glaze over here. Make sure you've got Facebook Ads Manager set up, that it's the business page, because you want to be able to use Facebook. I've got a link around this video somewhere where you can go and do that, but super important. It's like, when you were focusing on getting that blow dry looking really good, when you were focusing on those foils, when you were doing things that you were happy to practice and get better at, if you're using Facebook Ads Manager, you're going to get so much more bang for your buck out of the time you spend on Facebook. So make sure step number 1 that that's set up properly. Like I say, there's a link around this video to make sure your page is looking good and that you've got Business Manager set up.